He says it's no hope for it. He's going to try to relocate. He hasn't had a chance. He can't get to his insurance policy to see exactly what he's got. It's really unbelievable. Unbelievable. There's the library. Police everywhere. We're just walking down in front of the post office now, coming back to the car to meet Jill now. I don't know where they are, but buildings just destroyed. Incredible. Now this is downtown Clarksville, the second day. We're at the post office. This is where the meeting's held for people that own their buildings. They have to come in and get yellow tags put on them so they can go down. They've got a head count, not letting people go through other than with their tags.
So you can see your organ over there where the organ was.
People are talking about where it left those two prayers there, and the organ right in the middle didn't scratch those there.
See the bottom part here? That's solid. What I think is
There's more coppers.
Most of the brick is still there.
Top of the courthouse. I say it just fell right down to it.
This over here, this is still solid. All they had to do is re-roof it.
Here's a picture of the Chamber of Commerce. This is where all the people are meeting so they can get permission to go downtown to see their buildings. They don't know what's left. This is unbelievable, the people that's here. Unbelievable, in the Chamber of Commerce building. People are just crowded in everywhere.
Where's your office? Is what?
Johnny, I'll tell you, here's the judge right here. Courthouse is sight to see. Just gutted.
Listen, we need.
Here we go. Walking through the crowd. People. I just talked to Johnny P. He's going to try to gather his thoughts, get on down close to the crowd, get his stuff out. Here's an announcement.
I've been asked to tell everybody, if you're a spectator,
Here we go.
that is, you do not have any property uptown, or you do not have a vested interest in any property uptown. We're just getting too crowded. I mean, it's getting nuts down here. If you're a spectator, and you're not, you don't have property.
They're asking all the spectators to leave.
I've been asked to ask you to go ahead and leave the area, because if you don't, we're never going to get rid of this.
Well, I think that's good advice.
Not going to be able to do their job, and we're going to be here next Saturday with me standing in the back of the room.
People everywhere.
If you don't have an interest uptown, I'm going to ask you to leave. Also, there's a white car down there with Tricia on the front license plate that's blocking in another lady, and if you mess with her vehicle, then.
Well, I think everybody should be pulling out now. Here's Bill Organ. Bill, y'all have any problem?
Y'all decided yet?
I don't know.
Well,
Pretty bad, isn't it?
it is bad. I tell you, this church is unbelievable. I don't believe 7 million will touch it. Do you?
Yeah, most all our walls are still standing.
$7 million worth of insurance.
Yeah, official.
It won't make it. How you doing? A lot of people down here worried. Did y'all notice those two? Y'all noticed, I guess, that prayer, those two things standing there? Still standing. The organ blows right out in the middle.
Try to save them.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's plaster with the rain we had on them.
I hope.
Try to get them covered with plaster.
I hope you can save them, though. That's amazing. And you know that believe it or not, that truck right there that's turned over on its side, I know in my mind it had to be done yesterday. But I videoed and I walked right beside it, Channel 5 News, and the other one was there, and it wasn't there in my video yesterday. He's parked here trying to get some help, I guess. How y'all doing? This is Mark Rass's waiting. It's been a sight. People still trying to get in. I'm going back to the shop, try to earn a living. We're recording coming in. She's double parked. Illegal. There's Nancy's bill, didn't even touch it. It's what you have to do. It's what these people are going to do. That's the hope of Clarksville. Just all kinds of traffic everywhere trying to get around in Clarksville.
Against the law on the other side of town, what you can do it.
All the law is here, that's for sure. I didn't realize we had that many troopers. Well, he will. He won't pretty soon, but he will right now. People don't even let them in their building. If you go into the building, then they're just like Mark. They're only letting him in his front half of his building. Here, this looks like tornado damage, but it actually isn't. These people just live this way. There it is. More tornado damage. No, the second thought, they just live like that. Yeah, that's Melissa's place there. Okay, here's some damage. One tree down the railroad track. Right over there, no more than a block is where it comes through, right through. Jill trying to give some lessons on driving now. We're coming right up.
Donnie, would you get out of the middle of the road?
Cumberland
Donnie's
Drive.
got the road blocked. I don't give a damn. There's anything behind me?
Jill,
No,
this is a
going.
serious, solemn day for you to be giggling and carrying on like that.
Yeah, it should have just wiped all this right out. Clarksville would have been better off.
Well, I don't know. That guy that owns that bars and ice fella. JP,
JP's a nice man.
Well, we're coming up on the corner where it all started. One about 4 blocks away, right down Crossland Avenue at the end of our road. Christy lives within a block of where it happened. It's amazing.
Here's Sandra. Get her on video.
Here's Sandra on video out surveying the damage.
She's on the phone.
Oh yeah, always on the phone. Always on the phone. There she is.
Sandra!
Looks like, who's in there with her? John Paul. There she is. Here we go. This is Crossland Avenue. Golly. He didn't even know that had happened.
Serious time now. Let's don't be talking about those.
Crossland Avenue. Is the light out, honey, or is it just this way?
It's red.
Oh, a red light. It works here.
You want me to run him, honey?
No, I don't
I'll
care.
run him if you want me to. I'll go right now.
Okay, boys, these batteries ever good on this
Let me
thing?
go, honey. Come on, please let me go now.
Well, charge ahead. Charge ahead. You know. Well, here we are coming back to the shop to go back to work. This is the second day of the damage. Donnie and Jill and
Dan and Melissa.
Dandy Dan and Melissa, we've been out surveying, looking over everything. It's been sad for all of us. It really has. Here's the shop. What is the day, Jill? You got the date of today?
123.99.
January 23, it's 11 o'clock.
1999.
1999.
There's little boy and girl fishing.
Our storm hit us at 4:10.
Honey, there's our
January
damage.
22nd.
Bag in the... Look at our damage, oh God.
Storm hit us January the 22nd at 4:10 a.m. Thank God everybody was asleep. Here we come in on Craft Street. This is day 2. It's about 5 o'clock. And there's some more Appleton's motorcycle dealership. This is on Craft. This is something we didn't get before. Looks like it's come across this way. Blew out all the windows, as you can see, in the Frosty Warren building. Top of it damaged. Here we go down. They got a bunch of cranes and stuff. A lot of debris. Well, this stuff is probably in the river. No, it didn't get the bowling alley. It's got a lot of debris on that hill up there, coming off that hill, the stuff. See where it got Langford's. Pretty bad. It hit several places. You can see where it comes through right there. Those trees around. Come down the hill. And behind this building here. Lots of damage. Here's Appleton's. It's a ton of stuff here. Roof blown off. Man, up there they're working on the electrical now. This was a store here. Completely gone. I mean, that's nothing left of it. Nothing left of it.
That wasn't Raging Cajun, was it?
I don't know. They tried to put the top up on this. There's a truck overturned. You see.
Oh, it was powerful.
Really powerful. Look at this building here. Just done devastating damage. Here's one here.
What is this?
It's a bad situation, whatever it is. Let's see if I can get out in the video just a little of this. This is Langford's. Tommy Langford's place. Looks like it held up pretty good, but the place next door just destroyed it. I mean, it looks like a bomb. There's one of his cranes. It's really incredible. Incredible. People trying to clean the rubbish up. Tommy Langford. It's awful. Look at this building right here, where I'm standing. It's just totally, completely gutted it. Man, it's unbelievable. Right here in front of Langford's Supply. And then here's Appleton. It's like just blow the hole right out in the roof. Really a lot of damage. Really lots. Can't believe it. Craft Street. Flew trucks over and just picked them up like toys. Unbelievable. Building here. Lots of traffic. People are trying to fix their light wires. Amazing.